Today we're going to be going over some news that just sent Shiba Inu coin soaring. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, why it's your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency community where we talk about our favorite cryptocurrencies and you guys can ask us any questions that you may have about cryptocurrencies, go ahead and click the first link in the description. Get signed up through Patreon to get into our private Discord. Without any further ado, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, Shiba Inu coin. Alright, so we're going to hop straight into the news for today. Basically, Vitalik Buterin, or the creator of Ethereum, basically had 45% of Shibacoin. So when you went and looked on CoinMarketCap and looked at holders, you can see 45% of the supply was held by the creator of Ethereum. That was his wallet. But basically 25 minutes ago, or now over an hour ago, since I'm making this video a little bit later, there was a statement made by Mr. Vitalik. So basically, let's go over what he said. He said that he decided to burn 90% of the remaining Shiba tokens in his wallet. The remaining 10% will be sent to a not yet decided charity with similar values to Crypto Relief, preventing large-scale loss of life, but with a more long-term orientation. COVID is a big problem right now, he says, but it's important to think about longer-term future too. So basically, he's going to put 10% into something similar to Crypto Relief, which I think is super awesome. But simply holding the remaining coins in the wallet, which has 45% of Shiba coin, forever was never an option for him. For security reasons alone, they would have to be moved into a better wallet eventually, and any transaction he would make would get intercepted as an action. So may as well just do the useful thing immediately. So he is trying to help out Shiba coin in the interim, and people really like this, and it sent the price of the coin up 20%, I believe. He said that he's actually been very impressed by how the dog token communities have treated the recent donations. Basically, all of these dog tokens like Shiba Inu coin, Alaska Inu coin are all doing super awesome stuff with charity, which is super good. We can all get gains and then also help out charity in the process. But he said plenty of dog people have shown their generosity and their willingness to not just focus on own profits, but also be interested in making the world as a whole better. I support all who are earnestly doing that. So basically, he's just commending people for actually wanting, or the creator of these coins for wanting to help out charities and not just get gains. But then he said, but for anyone making coins or DOS or whatever, in the future, please do not give me coins or power in your project without my consent. I don't want to be a locus of power of that kind. Better to just print the coins into the hands of worthy charity directly. So he's basically saying, hey, let's just, instead of putting it into my hands, just donate things or like coins to charity instead, so that they could have a little bit more control over all that, and he doesn't have to be the arbiter of his charity. So that's basically what sent Shiba Inu coin soaring today, up 13%. It was up a little bit more before, having a little bit of a pullback. But first, I also want to go over the fact that Shiba Inu coins, or Shiba Swap, should be coming here soon. It's still on their website, says that Shiba Swap is undergoing security tests, audits, and final updates to prepare for a safe launch. As soon as Shiba Swap is up, we should be seeing insane gains. But if you guys didn't know what Shiba Swap is, let's go over the vision of Shiba Swap. You can also read this all by yourself, because I'm not going to read all of it, by clicking on read our woof paper and then just basically go through the whole thing. But I just wanted to read this real quick. They say they are dedicated to building the best decentralized ecosystem on the planet. Their first 3 tokens were the seeds from which the Shiba Inu ecosystem sprouted, and Shiba Swap is how they dug in their roots. The goal of Shiba Swap is to provide a safe place to trade your valuable crypto while remaining decentralized, and they say that they're loyal to their holders, and that gives them the means to grow exponentially. And they say that they will constantly grow or scale this ecosystem so it may bring ever increasing interested parties. So basically they are trying to grow Shiba Swap into more than just their tokens. Their unique tokenomics, solid design, technical implementation, and the viral growth of their good old-fashioned means will reinforce the platform structure or strength. So basically, they think kind of what is happening with Doge right now. They think they have a loyal cult following behind them, and I'll say, I'm holding my Shiba Inu coins, and I'm not selling. And basically because they are in charity and they are doing it for the meme, and also they do have a very solid tokenomics design, and but yeah, so they also said that making a swap without a budget is a unique challenge, but tackling various genres, product lines, and the focused development team rose from the ranks of the community. And they said that they basically the power of Shiba, we will be successful in advancing the swapping ecosystem as a whole so that we reach new and spectacular heights together. The best is to come. So basically, yeah, that's the vision of Shiba Swap. It is not yet live, and as soon as that does go live, we could see a similar thing when they got listed on Binance and went up immediately over 100%. I think it even hit like close to 200%. So we could be seeing something like that in the future with Shiba Swap, some gains like that. But if you do look here, over the last week, obviously we have been consolidating. This is volume down here. Here, I'll get rid of these. This is volume down here. There was obviously a ton of volume around May 10th, but ever since then we have been consolidating. But this news of Vitilak, I don't know really how to say his name very well, but basically, as you can see here, the volume is starting to pick up today. And after a huge consolidation period, we are finally picking back up, and we're at that 1953 level. Now, key resistance point is basically going to be about 227. Right now we are at 176. So basically we need to get to a point where we go above 227 in order to get to the next resistance point, which would be in the 30 level. But the fact of the matter is we have 50% upside here. We also have 100% upside if we can just get above that 227 level. But right now, as long as volume keeps picking up from people wanting to get into Shibacoin, we're looking good. We also have made a cool support at around 1729. And we just need to break above this 1953 in the short term. But yeah, look at historical data. Volume, I'm going to assume, is up today. This is taking a very long time to load. Sorry, this usually doesn't happen. So here we go. We have about $3 billion in trading volume today, up 24% day over day. The volume was at about $2 billion yesterday. And we did reach a high of about $19 billion traded on May 10th. The market cap is sitting at about $7 billion. So in order for this to double, we will need to be at $14 billion. But we have already been at $14 billion market cap on May 10th when we were trading that $19 billion a day. We just need to continue to see an upward trend in volume in order to see this resurgence in the price. Obviously we want to make it back up to this prior level of May 10th of like 37.50, but before we do that, we need a lot of volume, and we need a catalyst such as Shiba Swap in order to see this massive rise in price. But until then, we had a great day today. I'm assuming that the volume will keep picking up, but that's pretty much going to be it for my technical analysis, and just my overall thoughts on the state of Shiba Inu right now. Major catalyst we have coming up is Shiba Swap. Be on the lookout for that. We'll be posting as soon as that does go live, so make sure you turn on post notifications for us and subscribe and like the video in order to push us out to more people so we can get the Shiba Swap or Shiba Inu coin community even larger. But that is going to be it for me today. Make sure you guys check out the links in our description to our private Discord, as well as getting 2 free stocks from WeBull. But that's going to be it for me. I'll see you in the next video.